What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and if you like Mustang related content, please consider subscribing. So one of my favorite modifications to my wife's 1999 Mustang GT is actually the floor mats that are in the car. I do have a video which I will link up here in the corner that you can watch. They're made by ACC. They really match the interior color perfectly, and they have a really nice embroidered Mustang running pony logo. So when I got my 2004 Cobra, it still had the OEM mats in it. And well, they were just a little worn. After all, they are about 18 years old. So I started looking at floor mats for this car, and if you do your research on the Cobra mats, there are really two games in town. There are the ACC mats, and there are the Lloyd Mats. Now, the reviews on both of them have been super positive. They both feature that eyelet hole for the retaining hook on the new Edge cars. I think the SN95s might have them as well, the 94 to 98s, on the left-hand side of the driver's side mat. Lloyd also gives you a second hole on the right side of that same driver's side mat, and they give you an additional hook that you can install into the car. The embroidery on both are very good. My only concern with the Lloyd mats is that they only come in black or I believe tan. And the new Edge cars, my 04 Cobra right here in particular, it's not black interior, it's actually dark charcoal. So while the Lloyd mats are really high quality and really plush mats, from what I've seen, they don't exactly match the interior color. Now, considering that they are the exact same price as the ACC mats, I decided to pick the ACCs up, also because I had such a positive experience with the GT. So this is not a super technical video, it's just a quick video. I didn't find too much on the ACC versus Lloyd mat question for the Cobras, so I figured I'd share a little bit of video with my car and its dark charcoal interior. So let's open these up and take a look. Okay, so here's what you get. We'll take these out, lay them on top. Embroidered mat, really like that insignia or emblem, whatever you want to call it. Taking the mats out, you get two fronts and rears. Of course, the rears do not have the emblem on it. Really nice. There's a rear right there. So this is actually the passenger side. As I said before, the driver's side, here you go, has that little eyelet for the retaining clip. These are officially licensed by Ford. I'm gonna remove that. So I'm gonna go outside and go grab the original mat and see how the color matches up in shape. So this is the OEM Ford. Still has the Ford numbers on it. It's not in terrible shape. It's got a little bit of wear here, of course, where your feet rest. The size is pretty spot on. It has a little bit more right in front here. I don't remember that being an issue on the GT, so I can't imagine it's an issue on the Cobra. This one, as I said in the other video, has more kind of spikes on the back. The original one only has the bottom. The middle is not spiked. I mean, it's not a big deal. It doesn't really, I don't think there's a huge advantage. I mean, it does have the eyelet right there. So the color is pretty good. I mean, considering these are original, we're gonna throw it in the car and see how it looks. Oh, that looks really good. We're getting closer here. Gotta vacuum this car, but it looks really nice. You can see the color is perfect. The Cobra snake looks really good. I don't even think this car doesn't even have rear mats right now, so it's perfect. I could throw them in. Overall, I really like these mats. They have an OEM look to them. Yeah, they're not gonna move around because it does use that factory eyelet. I was a little apprehensive, like I said, about the Lloyd mats, because I don't know how black mats would look. Although my buddy Lethal Venom, check him out on YouTube, he sent me pictures and it looked really good. I just figured, you know what, I'd like it to match pretty much spot on. And although the pictures look really good and he said he was happy with them, I did go with the ACC. Like I said, I had a positive experience with the GT. So there you have it. I hope you found this video valuable. Those of you who are looking at mats, once again, I do have Floor mat video on my wife's car from a couple of years ago, same brand. It might be a little bit more in depth. I mean, their floor mats, there's not much to installing them, but for me, the big concern was color compatibility. So I hope you found value in this video. In any event, thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Or better yet, hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.